I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generational Investors. I'm your host, Coach Flo. And if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you are my fellow subscribers, I want to thank you for subscribing to the channel. Just want to enlighten you and just share with you some things I've been researching on. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor for you to buy, hold, or sell crypto or a stock. But today I just wanted to briefly talk about crypto talk, okay? Just some crypto news that just been studying on and researching on. So I just want to talk about for a brief moment. The first one, talk about, of course, the gold standard, Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin, whether you believe in crypto or not, crypto is here to stay. Okay. Bitcoin is, they call it digital gold. Digital gold, it's a storage of value, and where things are heading. We're looking at a halving that's going to push the price up going into next year. Okay, so every 4 years they have this term called a Bitcoin halving, which is like a squeeze that it is with supply. Okay, it's like a squeeze on supply, and so it's only so many Bitcoins in the world that they have created. So this has a huge emphasis on the whole crypto market as a whole, because remember, Bitcoin is the first coin that started this whole crypto movement, and all these other coins just came along a few years after. Okay, so I would say we know that according to this price today of my recording, we're looking at 30,354. All right, so one Bitcoin is worth 30,000. And you might say, hey, Coach Flo, I don't have 30,000 like that, and I don't either. But the good thing about crypto, you can pretty much invest in as little as a dollar of these coins, and still get a piece of the pie. Okay, still get a piece of the pie. So for me, I'm just DCAing $10 here, $20 here, $25 here. And think about it, it adds up over time. So don't think that you can't get a piece of the pie. And what I've been researching is, they said generally rule of thumb is you want at least 5% of your portfolio in crypto. Anything more than that, then I mean, you take it on risk. So it's just 5%. So I would say, just get a little bit of Bitcoin, nibble on it, and hold it until this next bull run happens. Because right now, remember, we're still in the bear market, and these prices are so cheap. Okay, so the next one we'll look at is Ethereum. That's the second coin that I'm DCAing, just dollar cost averaging in. And at this time of recording, it's 1872. All right, 1872. And you might say, well, I don't have $1,872. And just like Bitcoin, you can just DCA and buy a little as $1, $5, $10, whatever that you want to put aside just to get a piece of the pie, because we know crypto is here to stay. Okay, so just something to kind of think about. I would say those two is I'm really DCAing amongst the 5 that I want to share with you. Bitcoin, Ethereum, just buying little by little. Okay, not just going all in and just pouring it in, because remember, we are investors, not gamblers. Okay, so a lot of people have got burned trying to just load the boat and buy so many coins, and when the price tank, you lose all your value. So you just want to DCA just by little, whether you get paid weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, what have you. Just want to buy a little of these coins. Okay, so Ethereum is I'm really bullish on, besides Bitcoin, because just the potential it has to just run up when that next bull run happens, and I definitely will be a part of that. The next one It's Cardano. Okay, Cardano is 28 cents. 28 cents. And so just buying little by little, because at 28 cents, it's not going to be 28 cents the next year or two, 2 to 3 years. That 28 cents is definitely, you're going to easily 10x your money or not more, depending on how much you buy of Cardano. Okay, so Cardano is definitely, I'm DCAing as well. XRP. All right. Few things about XRP. Ripple, they call it. The court, for some reason, the SEC seemed to not want to let this thing rip. And it's all about control. I've talked to other people who have been investing in XRP for years. This thing can move. Whenever this court decide to give a decision on the ruling, this thing gonna rip. So I got a little bit of XRP, but XRP is definitely a sleeper and has the potential to go so far. It's 46 cents. So 46 cents for XRP. I mean, that's a steal. The last one to talk about is Polygon. Of course, Matic. Matic is continue to partner with so many different companies, Nike, Amazon, to say the few, Disney. It's so many different companies. Polygon is so, and at the time of recording, that's like 67 cents. All right, so you can easily 10x, if not more, on Polygon, XRP, Cardano. I see all 5 of these really going a distance in the next bull run. We talking about 10x, 20x off your investment. So whether you believe in crypto or not, it is here to stay. The institutions know about it. All these different companies know about it. And so it is trying to, those who lost money into these scandals, and there's so many scams out here, yes. So I definitely encourage you guys to invest in either Ledger, a cold storage wallet, and take these coins and put them and store them on these ledgers, so that way you won't lose the value of what you placed in. So you can buy these coins off of Coinbase and take them off these websites and put them on the storage value on these cold storage wallets. Okay, so I think I'm going to eventually in a future video talk about the ledger, because I do have a ledger that I store my coins on, and take it off Coinbase, take it off Robinhood, take it off Webull, all these different other websites and crypto exchange. All right, so I just wanted to share with you today just crypto talk, and just want to share with you in later videos some other updates. But Bitcoin is Ethereum, and Ethereum are the two I would say look into if you're going to do any type of investing. I'm doing all 5, but that's the reason why I just want to get my hands just diversify, because it's important to diversify yourself, just like in stocks, just like in crypto. Okay, so I'm your host, Coach Flo. Remember to like and subscribe, share any type of comments and below that you invested in, crypto wise, and maybe some I didn't talk about that I might talk about in the next upcoming video. Other than that, I want you guys to have a great weekend. Stay safe. Continue to be great. Remember, you got the key. Don't let nobody discourage you from greatness, because you have it. Be blessed.